Our goal when developing the Draeger PIR 7000 was to achieve the highest possible levels of safety for personnel, plant assets and the environment. Wherever potentially explosive gases or vapors may be present, the absolute reliability of a gas detector is vital, 24 hours a day, worldwide, and no matter what the conditions. Whether it is extremely hot, extremely cold, extremely humid or extremely dusty, or if the detector is mounted on vibrating machinery, industry depends on measuring instruments whose reliability protects life and prevents damage to companies. With the Draeger PIR 7000, the Lübeck-based Draeger Group is setting new standards. This gas detector is unparalleled in terms of reliability and durability. With more than 20 years of experience in the field of infrared technology, coupled with a painstaking 3-year development period, the Draeger PIR 7000 boasts both innovative and patented technology.
Das ist ein Gerät, was auf Basis
The Draeger PIR 7000 features an optical sensor that functions according to the principle of infrared absorption. This means infrared light radiation is emitted and then absorbed by hydrocarbons in the atmosphere. This absorption is then monitored by internal pyroelectric components. Zero failures, zero false alarms, and a direct and precise response to any gas leak. These core qualities were the basis for the development of the Draeger PIR 7000. And of course, adverse weather conditions must not be allowed to influence the measurement process. To be able to guarantee these product characteristics, numerous tests were conducted throughout the development phase, tests which exceeded even the requirements of international norms and standards. How long does it take the Draeger PIR 7000 to report 90% of a present gas concentration? To measure the response time, the detector is taken to a test chamber, which is then filled with test gas, for example methane. The measurement curve shows clearly that the Draeger PIR 7000 reliably reports the gas concentration within just 1 second. This is a record for a measurement instrument of this type. Icy cold, intense heat and large temperature variations must not have any effect on the measurement response of the Draeger PIR 7000. In a climatic test cabinet, the detector is cooled to a temperature of -40 degrees Celsius. The control computer shows that the detector continues to function perfectly. Even when the temperature is then rapidly increased, the Draeger PIR 7000 shows no perceptible measured value deviations. It has no problem maintaining its specified temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +77 degrees Celsius. The Draeger PIR 7000 is placed into a sealed housing containing talcum powder. A fan ensures that the powder is distributed evenly. Eight hours later, the metal enclosure of the Draeger PIR 7000 is opened. A finger test shows that even this fine powder has been unable to penetrate inside the detector thanks to its sturdy construction. The Draeger PIR 7000 remains fully functional and is therefore suitable for use even in extremely dusty environments. The name Draeger is synonymous with the quality you expect from a product made in Germany. And this is exactly the standard of quality offered by the Draeger PIR 7000. Here, nothing is left to chance, and following the usual production standards, every single detector is checked meticulously to ensure it's working properly before it leaves the factory. This is the only way Draeger can guarantee to meet the high safety demands of its customers, and this is proved by extensive tests. Strong vibrations are a common cause of error in measurement instruments. The detector is subjected to short and long-wave vibrations for a period of 6 hours. This is designed to simulate the vibrations on board ship or in the vicinity of engines and the sort of movement generated by wind or waves. In our test laboratory, a computer program controls the continuous vibrations. The result: 0 failures, 0 damage to material. The complete immersion of a Draeger PIR 7000 is simulated by lowering the detector into a cylinder filled with water. The moment water enters the measurement cuvette, the detector gives an immediate signal. Here too, the control computer and status indicators show that just a few seconds after the water has drained off, the Draeger PIR 7000 is once again ready for use. The Draeger PIR 7000 sets new standards as regards technology, know-how and reliability. This is also demonstrated by the continuous run test. On the roof of our production building, several detectors are exposed day and night to the elements, through summer and winter alike, for years.
Der Draeger PIR 7000 zeichnet sich
One
durch
key characteristic of the Draeger PIR 7000 is its high quality. For us, this means first and foremost the durability to withstand hostile ambient conditions, absolute reliability when it comes to warning against gas concentrations, and a long service life, thanks for example to a very stable 0 point over a very long period of time. With its Draeger PIR 7000, the Lübeck-based Draeger Group is blazing new trails in gas detection technology. The Draeger PIR 7000 not only offers flexible configuration to meet the requirements of any application. Thanks to its sophisticated technology and sturdy design, the Draeger PIR 7000 stands above all for maximum reliability, any place, any time, under even the toughest industrial conditions. The Draeger PIR 7000 represents a milestone in terms of safety. Find out more